guys? Welcome to the Last Ronin YouTube channel for episode 5. Isn't it crazy how we're at episode 5?
Shit's hella crazy.
If you are new to the channel, welcome. We are a drift team slash brand. Right now we are trying to make it onto the track again. I was on the track 2 times, right? So I'm trying to continue on that path. And yeah, thank you for all the support. And just keep on the likes, comments, and subscribes. And yeah, share it with your friends. If you haven't yet, cop some merch. We got some stickers right now, and just like one keychain. There you go. Which one's your favorite so far? Yeah. There we go. So, link will be in the description. Copy yours now. Alright, so to start, we got some bad news and some good news, I guess. Bad news is Nate's not here. He couldn't make it down here, so he's still in Austin. And so yeah, we're gonna try to shoot a YouTube video and try to make the best of it. Another bad news is the radiator is leaking again. Insert picture here. Yeah, for some reason it was leaking again. I don't know why. Maybe from just wear and tear from the road, just bumping up and down. So yeah, we're just gonna try to remove it and get it down to Brian. I think he has a person that can probably repair the radiator. Try to get it down to Austin hopefully by next week. First step, we're just gonna jack up the car and then drain the coolant and then wait until it's all out and then start pulling shit apart. So since I didn't really drive it that much with the new coolant inside, so I'm gonna try to save as much as I can. It's gonna be a little messy. Now we're gonna wait. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but it's probably a couple minutes. But yeah. Alright, so like I said, we're gonna try to get back on the track. I do have a list. A couple things I need to just get on the track. Just probably fix the axle. There's an axle leaking, and then do some maintenance work, and then get some tires. So hopefully I can be on the track and record it and all that, and show you guys. Alright, so while we wait for the coolant to leak, we're going to interview Evelyn here. So, since she's the one that doesn't have a car yet, let's find out what she wants. Right now, what do you have?
A 2013 Toyota Prius.
Okay, and what would be your ideal dream drift car?
Nissan 180 SX.
Okay, why did you want that car?
I like the body style. I started with the S13 Coupe I really liked, but then the pop-up lights won my heart in the end. And right-hand drive, you know, so the 180 I just rather get it, the authentic.
Yeah, you can never go wrong with the pop-up lights.
No.
What was your previous cars before that?
I had a Datsun B210.
Okay.
It was turquoise.
So that's where the Nissan came from?
Yeah.
Okay. And me, of course.
Yeah. I've always been a car enthusiast, but he got me into JDM.
You gotta start the right way. Yeah. So, any like future like you want to get this for the car? Or it has to be like a certain way, or are you just gonna go along with it?
I'm kind of gonna go along with it, but I have an ideal like goal for my car. I think, what was it, the Type
X? Oh, wing?
I definitely want that. The what is it, the 180 tail lights.
The tail lights, Type X tail lights.
Yeah, Type X tail lights.
Okay.
We're gonna do like a cherry wine red for the car color. Like there's a vision.
Yeah.
We just need the car.
Team color is gonna be at least like a burgundy, like cherry wine, like you said.
Yeah.
Secret.
I found the color.
Yeah, but there's gonna be this is basically a secret color, but that's what we're gonna go for.
Yeah, that's the
livery
goal.
and everything. So yeah, thank you for this little interview. We'll probably once she gets our car, we'll probably go more in depth.
Oh hell yeah.
Yeah, do some build breakdowns. Yeah.
It's gonna be lit.
It's still going. I guess as of right now, I'm gonna start pulling off some stuff from the top, and then yeah, it will be done by then. I'm just gonna move the air box so it's out of the way, man. As you can see, it's in the way, kind of. Just gotta remove the hoses. If you can see part 2 of episode 4, Brian's the one that fixed this one. So hopefully I remember how to put it back on. Just leave it on there. Damn, Brian. Jesus. Oh yeah. Basically, if they tear you, will do that. I know for sure. Gotta compensate the Nate in here.
Oh my
Ow! Fuck! God damn! That shit hurt. Why you laughing behind the camera? Jesus. That shit hurt.
Just let this shit loose.
Yeah, sweat, boy. There's sauna in here. Jesus. If you know me, I rarely sweat. So you know it's fucking hot in here. 'Cause I rarely sweat like that.
You're literally dripping. It
That's
doesn't
what she
even
said.
show.
Should be done. Yeah, it's pretty much done. Ta-da! Ta-da! So I don't know, I mean, when I put coolant, some of it will like drip down, but if you can see it's like all that coolant residue. So I don't know what's wrong with my radiator, but hopefully we can find out with Brian. With all that coolant residue. Like it will drive fine, it won't overheat, but like well, if I park in the parking lot and come back and see it, there'll be like coolant everywhere. And then Brian's gonna hook me up with a new fan that's way better. Basically that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this short video, and you know, hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for part 6. We're gonna hope to see Nate and Austin. Let's see you guys down there. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Peace.